So, here we go. What are we taking notes on? We are going to take quick notes. There's only 2 graphs on, what am I calling them? Graphing. Yes, I said your favorite G word. Graphing. Woo! Parabolas with a vertex 0, 0. Oh no. We are going to be graphing parabolas for a while.
Yay. Is it hard?
Is it easier
So, I am starting off with the absolute easiest set of parabolas to graph.
Yeah, they get harder.
Yes, they get lots harder.
With the vertex, 0 is easy.
Yep. So, how do I know that these parabolas have a vertex of 0, 0? Well, there's a couple different ways, and truly I think you'll understand it most once I teach once I teach vertex form. So let me talk to you about the anatomy of a parabola first. What does a parabola look like? Does anyone know what the shape looks like? A parabola looks like that. Or sometimes it can look like that. If you get really fancy in like pre-calc, you can have them sideways, but we're not going to do sideways. We're just going to do up and down. Okay? Let's see. We are familiar with quadratic equations, right? Ax squared plus bx plus c. Yes?
Shut up.
The ones that we are graphing today specifically will not have a b or a c value. They will just be ax squared. Okay? In a sense, they would be considered parent functions or mother functions. Yes, mother functions. And that's M-U-T-H-A, not the other.
She love me so hard.
You'll hear me say that more.
It's on her mug.
Haven't you seen my mug?
Yeah, she has a mug.
Holy shit, I like that.
Wait. Put it back.
She loves it. I know.
Okay. You know what? You'll remember it. So my job is done. Well, not quite. So we have this U shape, and there is a specific point at the very bottom of a U that's opening upwards, and the very top of a U that's opening upside down. Does anyone know what that point is called?
A point.
It's called the vertex.
What about the girlfriend?
Okay, so when the parabola is opening up, the vertex is at the bottom. And if it's at the bottom, we actually call it a minimum value.
No.
Depends on if you want to know it or not. If our vertex is at the top, because our parabola opens down, it is called a maximum. Okay, I have to zoom out because I can't.
Okay.
Sorry, Alexis. I'll zoom back in when I'm actually doing a problem. Okay? So let's see. What else do we need to know about this? In a parabola, we have a mirror image. That means that we have a reflection across a specific line known as the axis of symmetry. Meaning that it's symmetrical on either side. And the axis of symmetry always goes straight through that vertex. So let's see. Nope, Vaughn's does. Okay. Identify the vertex, axis of symmetry, maximum, minimum. Okay. So let's see. That's our basic parabola. Let's look at what we've got going on up here. I have an equation that says y equals 2x squared. That's the first one I'm going to graph. Now I can zoom in for you guys.